This is part C, really simple. It's going to be a short video. I'm sure that you don't even really need to watch this, but it's the difference between the radius of the planter at the top and the radius at the bottom band. So if we're trying to find the difference in radius, this one's going to have a larger radius, this one's going to have a smaller radius. If these are the two bands that we're talking about. We were told that this was 0.6 meters. They don't ask us for specific units here. Here we found that this was 44 centimeters. So what's important here is not really what the units are. It doesn't matter. They're not telling us a specific one, but we have to work in the same set of units. So we have two choices. We can either go from meters to centimeters or centimeters to meters. There are 100 centimeters is equal to 1 meter. So you could set up your ratio. So this is equivalent to 60 centimeters, and this is equivalent to 0.44 meters. So now we have exactly what we would need to do it both ways. If we worked in centimeters, we'd say 60 centimeters minus 44 centimeters is 16 centimeters. Or if we work in meters, it would be 0.6 meters minus 0.44 meters is 0.16 meters. And all of these things are equivalent. So all of those answers would be fine, either 16 centimeters or 0.16 meters, the difference in the radii.